Set. Set position. Bang, is sent off. Seville gets out quickly, so too does Thompson. Thompson takes charge. Thompson pulls away from the field. Akeem Blake. Here comes Seville as well. Seville gets second behind Thompson. 9:71 with the flash time.
We need win legal. We
Yes,
need win legal.
definitely need win legal.
Seville.
And they adjusted
Blake
time
comes
as well.
through as well. A powerful run.
Win legal 975
We
and
said
new
it
personal
was.
best.
For Kishane Thompson.
The exact
9:71.
time I said.
And gentlemen, Seville came through at 9:83.
That is next to a
Akeem Blake
miracle.
as well. 9:75 is the official time, but it is still a personal best for Kishane Thompson, a world-leading time as well. Kishane Thompson, he did this last year.
How did Oblique Seville take nothing from Kishane Thompson? Fastest in the world, new personal best, 975.
Thompson ran a blistering 9.75 S0.8, securing not only first place, but also marking this impressive time as a personal best, showcasing an incredible improvement from his previous records. Thompson did more than qualify for the 2025 World Championships. He eclipsed the personal best of reigning Olympic and world champion Noah Lyles, whose fastest legal time stands at 9.784 seconds. That fact alone sets the stage for one of the sport's most anticipated duels. The budding rivalry is rooted in last year's Olympic final in Paris, where Lyles edged Thompson for gold by a razor-thin margin, 5 thousandths of a second. While Lyles celebrated, Thompson walked away with silver and fire in his belly. Thompson is now behind only legends Usain Bolt, 9.58, Johan Blake, 9.69, Tyson Gay, 9.69, Asafa Powell, 9.72, and Justin Gatlin, 9.74. And at just 23, he joins Bolt and Blake as the only men under 25 to clock 9.75 or better. Lyles, who has not raced since April due to an ankle injury, holds a bye into the World Championships in Tokyo this September. But with Thompson's performance, the pressure has officially shifted.